If you're ready to do math today and you have your coffee ready, join me in the simultaneous sip.
The question we're working on today is, graph the following system of inequalities and label the corners. And the system is negative 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 18, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 10, x plus y is less than or equal to 15, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0.
Smash that like button and let's get started.
So we're going to start by solving for y in each of our inequalities. So 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 18. We could rewrite as y is less than or equal to 3/4 x plus 4.5. And the reason why we're doing this is it's going to make it easy for us to graph the equations of the lines, and then it's going to be easy for us to solve a systems of equations, which we're going to have to do to find the corners. So 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 10. We could rewrite as y is greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 10. Again, just get y by itself. And we'll do this for all of the inequalities. X plus y is less than or equal to 15. Subtract over the x, we get y is less than or equal to negative x plus 15. You can see all these are going to be really easy to graph. Since we have x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0, we know that our region is going to be in the first quadrant. Okay, so I'm going to use the line tool to sketch these lines. So we'll start with y is less than or equal to 3/4 x plus 4.5. So it has a y-intercept of 0, 4.5, and a slope of 3/4. So we have to go up 3 and over 4. Okay, and so when we do this, our line will look like this. Now we'll go on to the next one, right? We start by sketching the lines, and then we'll figure out which side of the line we're supposed to shade in for the inequality. So y is greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 10. So that has a y-intercept of 10 and a slope of negative 2. That's this line. Maybe we could color it in blue. Make it separate from the first line. Next we have the line y equals negative x plus 15. So again, y-intercept of 15, slope of negative 1. That's this line here. Again, let's color it so it doesn't look like the other lines. I think red is a good option. And then we have the first quadrant. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. To make our lives easier, let's label each of the lines. So this black line is y equals 3/4 x plus 4.5. Right? We're going to label them because eventually we want to find where the lines intersect. This is the line y equals minus x plus 15. The blue line is the line y equals minus 2x plus 10. And then the horizontal line is y equals 0. The vertical line is x equals 0. I didn't label those. We're going to shade below this black line because we have a less than or equal to. Below the red line, less than or equal to. Above the blue line, and above the line y equals 0. So here's our region. Right? We decide below and above based on the inequalities. Less than means below, greater than means above. And our region has 4 corners. So now we have to find what points are the corners. So let's start by finding where the line y equals 3/4 x plus 4.5 intersects with the line y equals minus x plus 15. This is where the black line and the red line intersect. Well, both of the y's they're both set as y equals, so we could do substitution. So minus x plus 15 equals 3/4 x plus 4.5. Bring all the constants to the left, all the x's to the right, and we get x equals 6. Sub it into the second equation, and we get y equals 9. So we get the point 6, 9 as this intersection point. That's one of our corners. Now we could find where the red line intersects with the line y equals 0. So y equals negative x plus 15 intersects with y equals 0. So that's 0 or minus x plus 15 equals 0. We get x equals 15. And then, of course, y equals 0. So that's the point 15, 0. All right, let's find where this next point intersects. These next lines intersect. So the black line is y equals 3/4 x plus 4.5. The blue line is y equals minus 2x plus 10. Again, using substitution, we get minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 3/4 x plus 4.5. Again, how do we solve this? Bring all the constants to the left. So 5.5 is equal to, bring all the x's to the right, 11/4 x. Divide both sides by 11/4. We get x equals 2. Plug it into the second equation, either equation, and we get y equals 6. So the point is 2, 6. And then the last corner is when the blue line, y equals minus 2x plus 10, intersects the horizontal line, y equals 0. So minus 2x plus 10 equals 0, x equals 5, y equals 0. That's the point 5, 0. So that's our region, those are our corners, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe for more Coffee and Math with Dr. Weselcouch. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.